Hello everyone, myself Pradyuman Verma. I am final year student of University of Lucknow, Faculty of Engineering in Civil Engineering Department. Today I will discuss on seminar topic stone mastic asphalt under the guidance of Engineering Jitendra Pratap Singh. Let's start. Here contents table are discussed like introduction, history of stone mastic asphalt, performance characteristics of stone mastic asphalt, composition of stone mastic asphalt, advantage and disadvantage, application and conclusion. Let's start next page. Introduction. Stone mastic asphalt, otherwise known as stone matrix asphalt or split mastic asphalt. It was developed in Germany in the mid of 1960s and it has spread throughout Europe and across the world 1980 and 1919 respectively. And its pavement surface have been used successfully in Germany. Heavy trafficked road and durable road suffering resist wear from stretched tires. The deformation resistance capacity of stone mastic asphalt stem from a coarse stone skeleton provide more stone and contact with conventional dense graded asphalt mixes. Improved binder and durability result of higher vitamin content. There are the many several types or introductions of stone mastic asphalt. Let's go new start page. History of stone mastic asphalt. Stone mastic asphalt and paving mixture is originated in Germany in the 1970s and provide maximum resistance to rutting caused by stubbed tire or European roads like Starbag company or German construction company led to develop of stone mastic asphalt. After the use of stubbed tire was no longer allowed, it was found the stone mastic asphalt provided durable pavement which like executed such as a high resistance to routing heavy traffic and provide to extremely effective in combating wear and performance characteristics of stone mastic asphalt. There are very performance SMA the development of modern pavement technology is needed to accelerate significant improvement of pavement quality of highway, airport, runway, and urban roads, and many types roads. That there are different types road are used SMA, and this is provide high durability and quality of highway, airport, runway, and roads. Let's start. Compositions of stone mastic asphalt. Many composition of stone masonry asphalt use of composition like stone masonry asphalt is characterized by high stone content which from a gap grabbed skeleton like stone structure. The void of the structural matrix are filled with high viscosity bituminous mastic. The high stone content of at least 70% ensure stone on stone contact after compaction. The required degree of mastic stiffness is achieved through the addition of crushed sand and coarse aggregate and many different types of aggregate used in composition of SMA. Materials used in stone mastic asphalt are like coarse and fine aggregate, bitumen, fiber, and filler. Coarse aggregate were defined as the particle size written over 4.75 mm. It's known as the coarse aggregate, and fine aggregate written over the 75 micron is known as the fine aggregate. Bitumen is used as a binder in stone masonry asphalt, like a dense graded mix and for preparation of mix is 60 by 70 bitumen and let's known as fiber are used as stabilizer in stone masonry asphalt mix. Fiber help in increase the strength and stability and decrease the drain down in stone masonry asphalt. There are different type of fiber are used in SMA: mixed life cellulose fiber, polymer fiber, natural and fiber, and mineral fiber. And last is the filler. Filler is used stone mastic asphalt for wetter winding of material, like जैसे like wetter winding material जैसे like rock dust, slag dust, hydrated lime, hydraulic cement, fly ash. Mineral filler and cement are used or filler in SMA mix. Also we can use the fine aggregate below 75 micron as a filler. A difference between dense grain mix and mix SMA. Advantages of stone mastic asphalt: 20 to 30% increase in pavement life over conventional pavement, like a good aggregate interlocking and low permeability. It provided textured, durable and rot resistance wearing course. Stone masonry asphalt can be used in heavily trafficked road where good deformation resistance is required. At the end of its service life, it is 100% recyclable, and strength and stiffness derived from binder and aggregate structure. Reliability: high binder content provide good durability, and it's provide good durability longer in service life of, like they say, stone masonry asphalt should be equal to greater than DGA and significant greater than OGA. It provided textured, durable and rut resistance wearing course. Surface texture characterized are similar to OGA, and noise generator is lower than the DGA but slightly higher than the OGA. And let's discuss about the disadvantage of stone mastic asphalt. Stone mastic asphalt mix required higher mixing temperature. Like its potential constructions problem with stone mastic asphalt mixture are drainage and bleeding, and it is increased material cost associated with high vitamin and filler content, and its need more carefully monitoring the composition at the mixing plant, like as a white fineness of the surface of the pavement. And premature routing stripping of asphalt layer below the stone masonry asphalt surfacing. Clothing or surfacing may be reduced reflective cracking from underlying cracked pavement to its flexible mastic. Increase mixing time and time to take in an extra filler may result in reduced productivity. There are different types of, we discuss in this advantage of stone mastic asphalt. Let's now the its application. What is the is application of stone mastic asphalt? There are different discuss in our seminar topic. In stone mastic asphalt is with high lorry frequency, intense wheel tracking at traffic lights, at intersection, on highway, on gradient, like on bridges, in buses lanes. And there are many different types application are used by stone masonry asphalt. And conclusion of stone masonry asphalt is very important, that what's improvement on stone masonry asphalt used in country and other materials. Let's discuss in the conclusion. Stone masonry asphalt has proved superior on heavily trafficked highway all over the world during recent year. The use of stone masonry asphalt increasing in popularity amongst road authority and the asphalt industries, and many different types are industries used in stone masonry asphalt. Actually, in India, stone masonry asphalt in use commonly. It is different in developed country in used in stone masonry asphalt. अब let's discuss is the case study of used in stone masonry asphalt in Germany, like as a fine graded stone masonry asphalt pavement rehabilitation of Bloomington Road. The current concept of stone masonry asphalt or split masonry asphalt was developed in Germany in the mid 60s and introduced in Canada in 1991. Stone masonry asphalt is a gap graded bituminous mixture with a high content of chipping, with continuous interlocking mineral skeleton to resist a permanent deformation. The space within the chipping skeleton is filled to a large extent by mortar rich bitumen are used in a stone symmetric asphalt. Fine grade stone mastic asphalt are in Bloomington Road. They are case study on one country stone masonic asphalt Bloomington Road. And let's stone masonic asphalt in other country like as Turkey used in September 1999 road trial. And it is considered that the Turkish highway would greatly benefit from the use of bituminous mixture containing giving both the increasing traffic loading and the seasonally high summer temperature. The asphalt mixing plant is about 330 kilometer from the roadside. The road trial site is about 80 kilometer south of Ankara on the southbound link. The Balakuku Kulu section on the Ankara Koyna highway. There we discussed different type case study by stone masonry asphalt material like as a fine grain coarse grain used in like first case study discussed in case study of Germany Blumenser Road, and second case study we discussed in Turkey September 1990 road trial Ankara. And now new discuss a reference today. There is the my reference different times with reference of papers we and thank you.